Oh, there we go. Hey guys, what's up? We are back, and this time we are with
Hi.
Oh. Okay, today we are gonna be playing Animal Tycoon. See, like half of us?
Yeah.
Maybe if I scoot it back more. I think we can.
Oh, it's a zoo. Okay.
It's a zoo. Oh, it's up. Wait, that. Yeah, that kind of helps. Wait, how many coins are? Oh, I get 3 coins per second. I think. Oh, right there.
Wouldn't it be easier to record on your camera on your computer?
That's the thing. I don't know how to record on my computer. Like screen record on my computer.
Oh, good ask Sean.
Yeah. Oh, it's 10 coins per 5 seconds. Okay. That works.
I want to see the first animal.
The first animal.
What would the first animal be?
Like almost every game creator has like a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the? Maybe I still have to buy my stuff.
Yeah, maybe you just gotta get your entrance ready.
Yeah.
Then you can buy your animals. What really caught my eye about this game was that cute koala.
Probably gonna take a bit to buy the
On the
koala.
cover.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take a bit to buy the koala.
Probably.
For lunch.
Or is it gonna be the first one?
But it's like but, that cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Walkways, that might be.
This might be it.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? I think she needs help. Wait, what does this say? Treasure hunt?
Ooh.
Looks like a
Turtle
penguin.
penguin.
New area. Wait, exhibit 1.
Oh, okay. Oh, you probably get to choose your animal too.
Yeah, probably.
Nature. Okay.
Oh,
It's a
it's a
desert
desert
animal.
animal.
What if it's a tortoise? Because you're getting a
Oh
tortoise.
my god!
Food. And. Oh, you gotta go.
Oh.
You were so excited.
Yeah, I didn't even notice.
Did you tell them
What
that?
is my walk?
Did you tell them what you're getting this weekend?
A tortoise. This weekend? Well, technically tomorrow. I'm getting a tortoise.
What kind?
A so-called a tortoise.
How big can they get? How old?
Over 100 years old, and I don't know how big they can
Well,
get.
the last one that we seen, which is Tiptoe,
Yeah,
on
Tiptoe.
Facebook, is 175 pounds.
Yeah, I didn't know you were talking about his weight.
Yep, that was his weight.
It's tortoises.
Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I guess.
Yeah, it is tortoises. Cause look, tortoises walk like that. They have long necks.
That is too funny.
How?
Mom.
I love that there's tortoises there.
Yeah.
I got tortoise.
Mom,
Maybe that's what's gonna be like, because there's tortoise there, then the penguin. Oh my gosh, there's a baby.
There's a
That's
baby
so
tortoise.
cute.
Oh, there's this tortoise.
Yeah.
There's like 4 different tortoises.
And then look what your brother just brought out the room.
Oh my god! What is going on?
Bear.
He just brought the beanie baby of a tortoise.
He just brought it. My brother just brought a tortoise out here. want to get exhibit number 2.
I think it's probably gonna be penguins.
Mm,
Go.
I need to buy more money.
Maybe not.
Go.
Yeah, probably not.
Well, then I wonder what the treasure hunt is then.
Yeah, what's the treasure hunt? Because I'm like trying to click on it. Oh, I can buy the parking lot.
You know what'll be exciting is when we can do what
I wish my camera was like bigger. Or
like
something.
gaming with Kev and stuff like that. What they do,
Yeah, what about it?
like they have they're like with other people playing.
Oh yeah, collabing.
Yeah, the collabing.
Yeah,
I couldn't think.
but you have to be like famous. for that
No, you
stuff.
don't.
I mean, I'm talking about like with other YouTubers.
Oh, well, I was talking about with me though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Collabing with YouTubers. Yeah, you probably do. What is it?
It looks like
Rainbow food? What is that?
It's a unicorn.
It's a pigicorn.
It's an unpaid. What the frick?
Unipig.
A
The
a unipig.
What? It went from normal to fantasy? That
Yeah.
took a turn real quick.
Yeah, that was like it turned like.
Show your brother. He wants to see it.
Look, it's a unipig.
They even got
No
a
wonder-
baby and everything.
no
Oh,
wonder-
look at those eyes.
No wonder he's eating rainbows.
A pig.
Yeah, it's a pig. Yep, that's right. That's what they do.
Oh, I
Yeah. That always happens to you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Oh, what is this? Exterior. What's exterior? Oh, almost up. Nice. What is this? The information booth?
Oh,
Is that seriously
Hey, bear.
E.T.?
Ma.
this is
No, not E.T.
Bear.
wow.
Short Circuit. Yeah, the robots from Short Circuit. Not E.T. Why am I thinking of E.T.?
I don't know.
But
What's that one? Oh my gosh, is that an octopus?
Yes.
Or no, it's
It's
a
a
squid.
flying squid. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's a squid. It's a flying squid.
Ma.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
What is that, crashing?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Like
I need to buy the unpig. What's the unpig?
unipig.
Oh, unipig. Oh,
Oh, it's an egg. Unipig egg. Is that what it said?
yeah.
20 hours.
Why does it take 20 hours? It takes 20 entire hours.
I have no idea. This game is very unpredictable now. I don't know
Yeah.
what's gonna come next.
Ma.
I thought animals
Ma.
would be it, penguins.
Mom.
Yeah.
You thought it was gonna be normal stuff. Nuh-uh, we don't got no more stuff in this zoo. We got unipigs.
In robot.
Is that?
Bye. Bubble.
Oh, okay. So you literally have to treasure hunt around there to find those. Wait.
So is there a unipig?
I think those are normal.
I think those are normal ones. But I wonder what the egg is. Is it gonna be like a giant ultra unipig or something?
Oh,
A god pig.
No.
Why do plans cost $1,250? Okay, do I have to buy each individual car, or is it specifying cars? Penguin King 4732. Is there any other people? There's only one more person. Wow. Nobody must play this game. Because there's only me and that other guy in this. Oh, no wonder the plans cost 1,200. Yeah, it's specifying cars. What the frick? 10? Okay. I think that's the net worth. But whatever.
So wait, what was the other one with the squid? Is that like a snack booth?
Yeah, I think so.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Cause
oh, okay, yeah.
got
He's
some
got a
choice.
hamburger or something. Oh. Whoa.
Well, hello.
Look how he did that. What? Just pops up.
Guys, look. Grayson, do it again. Can they see?
Yeah. Food court.
Food court.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Oh, wait, Ma, look. This is what caught your attention.
Oh, okay.
I just buy every single green thing. Oh, and if you're wondering what the green things are, they give you more money. And the red ones don't really do anything. They just for show, I guess. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a penguin. I'm a penguin. Yo, 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 yo.
Oh
Is
my
that a
gosh.
snowman?
Yes.
Why
Oh well,
is
is it an ice cream shop?
Yep.
Yeah, so that kind of makes sense. But
Now it's starting to get predictable again.
but at the same time, it should be like a polar bear. If it was just animal.
Or it could be a regular person.
Or yes, that would be normal.
Nothing's normal in this game.
No.
Not even the food court. Like, wow. This is dream cream cone. Is that a seagull? What the frick? How do I get up there? What the heck?
Is that okay?
How do I get up there?
You probably have to get up there by like building stuff. Maybe you need to
I want
build.
to get the seagull though.
Yeah, but maybe you need to build more things.
It's not like. Come here.
What?
Because maybe there'll be trees next to it or something. You can jump on the trees. There's a bench.
There's a bench. Okay, I think this is gonna work.
Yeah, see? There you go.
Ma.
Oh, but that's not a collectible. That's just a fake statue.
Ma.
Let me try it again though. Mom, on top of the ice cream thing.
Yeah.
What the heck? Oh, I'm on top of the
Yeah.
seagull. Got the seagull.
Can you go grab my phone?
Me?
You? No.
Oh, that's it. As I say, I'm not gonna anyway.
Oh.
Do 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 do.
It's in your bedroom.
Oh my God, guys! Look at how much I got. That's much. And look at my penguin. That looks creepy. Do 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 do.
Yeah, in your room.
Yeah. Ma. Try.
Yeah. Hang on. Yeah.
Why is this?
Uh-huh. Oh, you want me to?
Oh,
How weird.
guests.
How weird. Ma.
I didn't know it was gonna be these type of guests.
How weird.
Ma.
Hang on, bud.
How weird.
Hello. I texted you back. Why? Oh, okay. All right, I'll come.
Oh, it's drinks.
Bye.
Oh my God, a seahorse. It's a drink stand.
All right, I gotta go move my car real quick. I'll be right
Oh,
Okay.
I guess Ma. Oh, Ferguson has to go move her car.
Right.
Wah, 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 oh. So it's most likely that we're gonna have to spend the video without the rest of the video without them. It's a tired burger. Big burger. Ah, yes. Is that seriously a mouse? Uh, That's a zebra. Oh my god. What is that? Trash can? Oh, I thought that said trash cans. Bar tables. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, no. It won't work. There ain't nothing over. Oh, wait, what is that? Do 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 do. Okay. Ah, yes, now I understand. Oh, okay. Now I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Yeah, I got the birdie, guys. Jazzy. Jazzy's back. Oh, and mine's back too. Yay. Ma, I got that one bird. The bird sign.
Oh yeah.
What do?
I was gonna take her vest off, but she ran from me.
Mine's back. A plant. Another one? Ma,
Yeah.
there's another one.
Another one.
Another one. Trash cans for baby wiping. What the heck? I didn't know there's gonna be stuff and shine. Cause I didn't know there's gonna be stuff and shine. Ma.
Sorry, hit an itch on my eye.
Oh yeah, you can see both.
So what was the next animal?
I don't know. I
Oh,
was
okay, that's
working on
what
the
you said.
restrooms right now.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But I got the bird. See, this one.
The bird.
This one. The one that was floating right.
Oh yeah, yeah. And that was just some random egg. It didn't have a name on the top.
Oh wait, this?
Yeah. When you paid for it.
It said plant egg.
Plant egg. It's gonna be like a weird one, probably.
Yeah.
So I think that the one that I'm thinking of right now is called Little Shop of Horrors, and it's got plants in it, and it's from Grandma's town that eat people.
What if it is? Bro, just imagine it is.
Like a Venus flytrap and stuff, but eating people.
Mhm.
So I wonder if that's kind of what it's gonna look like, but maybe
You.
not as horrifying. Because the ones.
Big WC.
bigger. Hey, move.
Grayson
Are those
really said.
stickers?
Grayson really said, "Hey, moo."
Hey, move. Hey.
Mm. Oh, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here with ma.
Bye.
Ma.
It was fun.
Jazzy's gonna do the intro, the outro. Ruff, 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 ruff.